Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get temperature on Snapchat iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure location access is enabled for Snapchat. To do this, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, and tap on the Snapchat app. Inside the app settings, find the location option and tap on it. Then, select while using the app or any other setting that allows location access. Once that's done, exit settings and open Snapchat. Next, take a photo or video using the camera. After capturing your snap, look at the right side of the screen and tap on the third icon, which is the sticker icon. In the sticker section, scroll until you find the temperature sticker. Tap it to add it to your snap. You can move the temperature sticker around, place it anywhere on the screen, and even resize it. This will show your current local temperature based on your device's location data. If the temperature option isn't showing up, double-check that your location services are turned on and that Snapchat has the proper permissions. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection as the temperature feature relies on real-time data. So that's basically how you can get temperature on Snapchat iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.